We just discovered something that happened about 4 days ago. I think it's the last time we had a bad thunderstorm. And we didn't even realize this has happened to my Chinaberry tree in the backyard. We were grilling back here and I just happened to notice, I was on the other side of that chair where Donnie was sitting, and I noticed through the trees, I saw the leaves looking wilted. So I came to check it out, and lo and behold, lightning struck my Chinaberry tree. Oh my goodness. This poor tree has been hit several times in the past. And it's a pretty big Chinaberry tree. It is. It's weathered a lot of storms. So Donnie's going to start taking care of it. But it's dangling on electrical wires, so we have to get it cut back now.
Because we got another storm trying to come up now.
Yep, we do. There's another storm coming. This happened several years ago when my dad was still alive, and lightning hit this tree, and it was way up there actually. I think we're going to have to make cutbacks up there too now, it looks like. Where the lightning struck the tree and broke the branch, and it was landing on that top wire, and pretty bad. So the electric company could not come in and help us back then. Jeez, that's a big branch that we're gonna not have.
Chinaberry ain't good for nothing, is it?
No. Except, throwing the berries at each other when we were kids.
Don't everybody do. Well, guess what? It's not actually on that wire now.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
There you go.